That's a clever girl. August the 10th, 2008, Cracker crawling. Yay! Yay! On Daddy's birthday. Oh. That's it. Yeah!
Good girl. Good girl.
Wait till Daddy is. Yay! You can do a little bit more. A little bit more. You're tired. Have a rest. Oh, there we go.
Good
Oh.
girl.
Yay!
That passes.
Yes! Well, that's the birthday present for Daddy.
Good.
That's it. A little rest. A little rest. No wonder you're eating more, not using all that energy, darling. A bit more. That's it. That's it. Yeah, Daddy keeps moving. Oh, naughty Daddy. Come on, darling. Oh, yay!
Good girl.
Yay!
Good girl.